Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Is technology getting so advanced that people actually would need 2,500 watts of power in a power supply? This is ridiculous. I thought 15 and 16 were high. However, Silverstone may have something to say about that. Let's get into this. Hi everyone, it's your boy Lot Tech back again with some new tech news yet again. Outside, starting to get more sunlight, touching more grass. You know how it is. Can't stay cooped up in the house all the time. But I got some more new juicy tech news. I don't think I'll ever use it, but Silverstone has announced and officially listed on certain sites they are releasing a 2,500 watt power supply, able to power 3 RTX 5090s with overclocks. Now, I don't know about you, but who the hell needs 2,500 watts of power for their personal rig? Hey, I don't know if mining is still a thing. Maybe you have multiple cards set up for mining or whatever for all you miners out there. However, last I checked, Crossfire and SLI has been long gone dead. So you mean to tell me I'm here thinking, or we're here thinking, 1,600 watts is already peak power and monstrous. To add an additional 900 watts on top of that 1,600 watts to give you 2,500 watts of PSU power. How much power do certain people need? This is ridiculous. I believe it's called, the power supply they're releasing or leaked is said to be called HELA, H-E-L-A 2,500 RZ. Something along those lines. I'll leave the links to the article down below. And of course is again videocars.net that had this information out there and some other forums. But videocars.net, it kept popping up on for the most time that I've been searching and researching. But yeah, 2,500 watts. Like, is it me or I already think, or am I the only one that thinks 1,000 watts is already more than sufficient enough for modern day CPUs and rigs? I currently have I had an old 1,000 watt PSU, good old EVGA Supernova P2. That's no longer any good because it lasted a 10 years warranty or whatever that I had it, because I used it for multiple systems. But I thought 1,000 watts was ridiculous at the time when I got this PSU way back in the day. But now people going beyond 1,600 and at over 2 kilowatts plus, 2.5 to be exact. Now, I'm not even going to worry to guess about how expensive this wattage is going to be when it actually is officially released or announced by Silverstone. But I know they make good products, especially power supplies and PC cases. But for them to go past the 2K barrier of wattage is beyond me. This is crazy work, people. I'm going to put a number out there. I don't know what the number is. They announced a number in the article, but I'm going to put a number out there. I'm going to guess that this monstrosity of a PSU is going to cost easily $400 or $500 MSRP. Before tariffs, of course. Because I don't think Silverstone is a US-based company. But if they are, shout out to us, but I don't think they are. And if they aren't, like I don't think they are, then these tariffs are going to jump that. So you're going to expect to be paying half a grand or close to half a grand for a 2,500 watt power supply. I don't know. Y'all let me know down below if y'all ever think y'all will ever need 2,500 watts of PC power for a PSU. And to put more things into context, it's supposed to have quad 12 volt 2x6 connectors. You know the high power connectors that were melting connectors for NVIDIA? Well, it has 4 of those 12 volt connectors built into the thing, and it's platinum certified, cybernetic certified, all that good stuff. As high wattage as it is, I'm surprised it's not titanium certified. But according to the article, it says platinum certified. But this is crazy. 2,500 watts, people. 2,500 watts. Y'all let me know in the comments below if you think people actually have a use case for this for their personal rig, or you think it's more aimed toward niche people that have like enterprise level workstations with like Threadrippers or whatever in a big server or something. Y'all let me know in the comments below if you think any of you or anyone you know will ever use 2,500 watts. of PC power. Until then, this is Tech signing out.